Hello friends, and welcome back to Mrs. Carnes and Me. Today we are leaving Tarifa and journeying some 159 kilometers or 99 miles to Malaga. Thanks so much for watching, and we're so glad that you're joining us for this adventure through Spain.
Right onto Community of Andalusia.
Tarifa was certainly a cute little place, wasn't it?
It was.
It really was, and the hotel was just amazing. So we're off to Malaga. Malaga, 162 kilometers. Okay, we're on our way. It's already beautiful. Look at that, wow. Never seen such high wind areas. What that must mean, caution high wind?
I don't know.
I've never seen that sign before, but I think that's what it means.
I don't know what I thought it was going to look like, but I didn't think it was going to look like that.
I didn't think this would look like this down here either.
Yeah.
It's very rural-like.
Very. There was a tunnel coming. So we're going through a tunnel. Tunnel in Spain. San Pedro tunnel. We're known on this channel for tunnels and churches. It's kind of a cool
Thanks for
tunnel.
watching Mrs. Carnes and Me, where you'll find more tunnels and more churches than any other channel on YouTube.
Probably.
Please like and subscribe for more tunnel and church action.
You gotta have a niche. That's ours.
That's my best radio voice.
Here we are, back at the car rental, and we are returning said vehicle.
After returning our rental car, we call an Uber and make our way through Malaga to our hotel, the Palacio Solecio. Located in Malaga's city center on a pedestrian-only street, Palacio Solecio is an 18th century building that has been renovated into a unique boutique small luxury hotel.
Get to the main part, and then we're right across the deal here at the other part. This room's like in the building next to the hotel. They bought this building and redid it to be more hotel rooms that opened up this year. It's very pretty. It has its own little reception. It has its own gym, and it has a rooftop bar that we can go to maybe tonight after the food tour. We will go. We'll just go take a look at it if nothing else. So, anyway. So you come in this room, you have to walk up these little steps. And you're in this little living room area with the couch, TV. He said this was opened just this year, just a few months ago actually. So it's brand new. And then you walk back here to this area. Very nice. And then the bathroom has these sliding doors, which is nice. So you can close that off. Show that. So you have these very pretty doors that open up into this lovely bathroom area. 2 sinks. Love that. There I am. And then we have these nice bath amenities. All the things. Makeup mirror. Every place we've had so far has had a makeup mirror. I've been very happy about that. And then they has this little, so you can shut this off while someone's showering, and then this opens up to the bathroom that opens up to the shower, which they have a rainfall shower. And we have these bath amenities in here, which is nice. Let's see. It does not appear that this toilet has a bidet. Interesting, because all the rest of them have. Very cool room. There's lights and there's plugs on each side of the bed, which is nice. A desk, which is nice. A big TV. Lots of mirrors. And then in this box, he said, this is the, look at this do not disturb sign. I don't guess that's one you take with you. That's pretty cool. So that's all in this little box. Oh, there's a big closet. Okay. Oh, multiple closets. I like all the lighting in the room around the bottom. That's really cute. Ooh, look at this one. We've got coffee, a safe, a mini bar. That's really cute. And then this big closet to put things. And again, they've been very thoughtful to shopping bags, shoe horns, all the things. What have I missed?
I think that's it.
I love it that they put the shopping bags, you know, because you have to buy shopping bags here. So they've given you one that you can carry around, which promotes their hotel, but you can also don't then have to buy anything when you're shopping. So that's kind of nice. And I do love all the lighting around the top and the bottom. Pretty room. Love the blue. I believe this is the church that Picasso was baptized in. Back to these pretty little streets with all the designs in them. Of course, they have the ever important Burger King. So we're here for the Festival de Malaga. We don't know why or what that is. Pretty. All these little places to eat. Very pretty. Cute. Go back this way. This is the Roman Amphitheater. Kind of cool. This is the entrance to the castle.
At the top of a 130-meter hill sits the Castle of Gibralfaro, which overlooks the city of Malaga and the Mediterranean Sea. Originally part of Phoenician fortifications in 770 BC, the current castle was constructed in the 14th century by the Moors, leaving it in its present state.
Right up there's where we just were. So this is what's in the dome, more ruins to look at that are underneath the streets here. So this is not a real statue, it's a person. Interesting. It's got a different feel even than the other places have had. I think there's that cake shop. So they're setting up here too for Holy Week. Getting all their scaffolding and their seats and everything. This is the cathedral. Not sure if it's open, if we can even go in though. That's the entrance, but they're working on it. Like this. Amazing. It's just beautiful. Wow, look up there. We're not climbing to that. We've already done that. Look over there at the top.
In 1487, Catholic monarchs Isabella and Ferdinand reconquered Malaga and ordered the construction of a cathedral on the site of a former mosque. The cathedral is a Renaissance church with Baroque details. The church stands some 87 meters tall, making it one of the tallest in all of Spain.
Right away when you walk in, it's just like, wow. There's a big wow factor. Yeah. We're both filming. Everything just like on a giant scale. It's huge. Oh. The door is huge. The paintings are huge. That's amazing.
So this is Mrs. Carnes and me's 5th trip to Europe, and every time I come, I'm still absolutely blown away by how majestic the churches are. We've been to the cathedral in Lisbon, we've been to the cathedral in Seville,
Madrid.
we've been to the cathedral in Madrid, and now we're at the one in Malaga, and any 4 of those would have been monstrously beautiful in any city in the world.
I think even Tarifa, we went in.
The one in Tarifa was surprisingly gorgeous. It was very
Purple.
old and nondescript from the outside. We walked inside, it was like, wow.
Yeah.
But the thing that's impressive that the camera may not pick up is just the scale of things. I mean, there's works of art in every one of these chapels, and they're huge.
Yeah.
They're just so big. It's all your mind can do to take it all in.
It's amazing.
So we're hoping we've captured a little bit of that during today's visit.
Amazing. Every little street is just so cute and clean. There's not a stick of trash anywhere. You ever notice that?
I do.
It's just very,
Unlike where we were yesterday.
yeah, but today it's just amazing.
The streets of Malaga are a little different than the streets of Tangier.
A little bit. It's just so cute everywhere you look. Another cute little street to go down. Quentin Picasso's studio. Look at how happy he is.
Castle Museum. Let's take a look. Pablo Picasso, one of the greatest and most influential artists of the 20th century, was born in Malaga, Spain in 1881. Even though he moved away at the age of 9, Malaga still claims him as their native son.
This exhibition was put together in commemoration of Pablo Picasso's 50th anniversary of his death. And each of these artists, this is by Picasso, but the other artists that are not are here because they demonstrate some aspect of his legacy, the way he painted. They've taken that on as part of the way they paint now. So that's why they're in this collection.
You're on, kid. She's got a pocket full of coins now. She's tearing up the smash penny machines all over Spain.
Lainey would be so proud of me because she loves a good smash penny just like her dad. Yay, got my penny.
So, we're here today at a big fancy restaurant with my Gigi and Poppy, and I really love them so much. They take me on so good dinners, and I love them with all my heart. Subscribe and like if you love this video.
Thank you for tuning in to Mrs. Carnes and me as we strolled through the city streets of Malaga. Tune in next week while we experience one of the most fun-filled food tours that we've ever seen. We know that we're living the good life. We hope that you are too. Until we meet again, salute!